I shrunk myself down and walked into an AI's Agentic harness. 7 systems wake up every time you send a prompt. One of them nearly took my head off. This is a diagram of one AI session. Together, they are called the harness. None of it is the model. All of it decides what the model gets to see. And some of it fires without anyone asking. Almost none of it is open yet. On the chart, this was 1 tick. A skill is a name and 1 line of description until something asks for it. Then the rest of it arrives. And most of it still hasn't. 1 tick in 1 row of 7. A skill doesn't hand you everything it knows. It goes and finds the 1 page you need. Ask something else, you get a different page. Everything else stays closed. That is progressive disclosure. For example, a request comes in. Summarize my emails. Swell's tie below. The skill holds references to things it already knows. How to use Gmail. And how you like your emails summarized. One of them isn't an event, it's the flow. One fires on its own, it can stop everything else. I wanted to see what stopped it. There was nothing there to ask. Some fire once when the session opens. Some fire on every single move. None of it was deciding anything. So who put it all here? One of them is a box. Everything else came out of it. Still nothing choosing. Something here knows where every single thing is. It never looks. It already knows. But knowing isn't deciding. And none of this has touched anything outside this place. So I went looking for the edge. Something out there answered. This didn't come from here. But it only fetched what I asked for. And it couldn't take me with it. So I stopped looking out. Everything I'd found so far was just structure. Nothing up there was doing any work. It was all happening down here. So I stopped counting them. It was working on something, and it didn't notice me at all. It couldn't see anything outside its own job. I wanted to know how many there were. It wasn't an exit. Every one of them was sending something back.
Not the work, just the answer. All of it going to one place. 7 systems. Not one of them was thinking. All of that was the harness. This is the model. Everything else was built to carry a question here and carry the answer back. And it's the one place I couldn't go.
Okay, I'll be honest, I spent way too many credits making this. Way too many. I'm actually broke. Totally worth it. If you liked it, subscribe and join my school. It's free. Links below.